In this video, we're going to talk about how to import your contacts into your eEdge database. First, log into your Keller Williams homepage. Then select View Contacts from your eEdge control panel. Once the control panel is loaded, select Import Export. Then you have some options. You should try to set up some groups before you come in to upload your contacts. I'm going to select the 33 touch group that I've created. Next, I'm going to set the contact status. If I leave this as lead, all of my contacts will suddenly show up as new leads on my eEdge control panel, and I'll have to change those one by one back to another label. The rest of these labels don't do anything active to your contacts. The only one that does anything is the lead, which again shows up in your lead section on your eEdge control panel. The rest of these are for your use. You can name them whatever you'd like to. Trash does not delete the contacts. I'm going to select active. Then you can set the contact type: buyer seller, agent, renter, investor, vendor, or other. I'm just going to say buyer or seller. And then I have to choose the import file type. Most of you are going to leave it custom CSV. If you've exported from Outlook 2007 or Top Producer 8i or myRedTools, you can import straight in without any kind of editing of the Excel spreadsheet that you've exported from your wherever you got your contacts located now. For the rest of you who don't have one of those three tools, you'll want to download this custom import template. Click there, select Save, and then you'll want to move your information into this template. Let's go ahead and look at a template that I've created. When you first open this template, it will be completely empty except for this top row. You cannot change any of these items or it will fail to upload into eEdge. Copy and paste the information, first name, last name, and any other applicable information into here. Again, you can't add or delete any of these columns at the top. Please note that there are certain items that you must have in order for it to upload correctly. First name, last name, and email or physical address. One of those two must be in there for it to correctly upload. If you don't have an email address or a physical address for that contact, you'll either need to manually enter them or enter a fake set of information for each of those until you get the correct information to update it. Once you've finished editing your spreadsheet, you'll want to save it as a .csv file, not a workbook or any other type of Excel file, but a .csv file. Then you'll come over here and select the file to upload. Click Browse. Then Import. You'll get one of two messages at the top. You'll receive one of two messages at the top of your screen. Either that the contacts were successfully imported or that there was some kind of error. If you get an error that you don't understand, either contact your Market Center Technology Coordinator or go to Help, Get Support, and call the number for eEdge and have them help you. Next, come down towards the bottom and look at the imported jobs. It'll say waiting to run. Once your contacts have been successfully imported, you'll see status complete, how many were imported, and how many failed. If you have any contacts that failed to import, click on the number and it'll tell you in this box what the reason was that it didn't import. A lot of times contacts will fail to import because there was already the same contact with the same email address already in your database. But that's pretty much it for importing contacts into your database.